Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX and
Joseph.
my assistant for today. And today we'll be reviewing the BingFeng G36. And this is the...
TG G36C.
Yes, correct. We're doing a side-by-side comparison. First, quality. The quality of this one, this is an all-nylon construction. Everything is nylon. So that's nice. The site is molded. Correct, is still the same. It's within it cannot be removed. The rails are also nylon. It has a plastic flash hider. And this one doesn't have a thread. The TG1 has one. Features, it has the usual safe, semi. Oops, that's not semi. Semi and forever. Safe. And it has a folding, which is actually working folding. So it's nice. That's a rubberized buttstock also. Battery space, very limited. There's a very little space here for the battery. So you can see, this is the battery space. So not much. Oh, it does have a aluminum barrel, but it's not, not up to here. It's short, too short actually. BB capacity, this one is bigger because TG G30, the BingFeng, you can see much longer. So this has more capacity. And of course, this is only compatible to this one. It's different size. It's not compatible with the TG. Upgrades, this is probably a Gen 8 type gearbox. So not, you can probably upgrade this. This has also, I forgot, magazine prime, which is again ambidextrous, which is nice. Saying that it's not too loud now. You cannot hear. You can really hear the prime motors. FPS, this is around 200 FPS average. But again, the short barrel makes it less accurate than this one. This one has a barrel up to here. So this is longer. Another pros for the TG variant. And this is quite old. I actually forgot how much I bought this one a long time ago. I forgot. I think I got this secondhand. Someone sold me. Probably. Oh, there are trades. See? HK G36C, which is nice. Unlike the TG1 has trades, but not accurate. So this is heavier actually than this one. This is very light, huh?
Yeah, it's heavy.
But it looks quite similar. Wow, this review is short.
Yeah, 4 minutes.
Generally, it goes up to 10, but this is a very old unit that someone sold me a long time ago that I forgot who was it, but it was stuck in my collection. If you're going to buy a G36, buy the TG. This is better in every aspect. There are so many upgrade parts that can upgrade this one.
Yeah.
Not unlike this one. But it's part of the collection. So it's very nice if you hold it like this. Hold it. Cannot. Press. You're weak. You need to eat more. Wait, let me hold it. Dual. Yo! Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, buying reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and we'll answer it as soon as possible. Gusto muli, paalam!
Bye!
Ching!